Stuck with the Windows Media Player Library DLL failure compromising your core library map? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's analyze this architectural break and restore your stability. To start our troubleshooting for Windows Media Player Library, you can follow my manual steps or use a utility for a clean environment review. This is the Windows Media Player Library, the primary engine for Windows Media Player, managing the playback of MPEG, AVI, and WMV video files. It provides the core ActiveX control that other apps use to embed video playback. A missing Wmp.dll prevents many desktop apps from playing intro videos, often causing a class not registered error in the software's UI. Now let's apply the fix by reinstalling the shared system library. This error typically indicates corruption within the Windows system core. I recommend launching Command Prompt with administrative rights and running sfc/scan now to automatically replace missing or compromised files, such as Windows Media Player Library DLL. If you're still finding yourself stuck after the reinstall, our next priority is to check for any active blocks in the system path. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including Windows Media Player Library. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. I know it's frustrating if the restart didn't work, but don't worry. We have a more advanced solution ready. If you need to pause the video to take a breath, please do. Restarting didn't fix the underlying corruption, so now we'll run a command to repair the Windows component store. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type DISM/online/cleanup-image/restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this forces a fresh download of official system components to resolve deep-seated corruption that standard local repairs cannot fix. Beyond the repair, maintaining a secure workstation requires avoiding a few common technical mistakes. Be aware that manual fixes for Windows Media Player Library DLL often create more problems than they solve. Incorrect file versions can cause cascading crashes across other applications, making your PC significantly less stable than before. For a reliable way to monitor these specific library interactions, I've included a professional resource link in the description. For users interested in automation concepts, the maintenance and repair kit linked below provides background information on managing Windows Media Player Library. I hope this walkthrough provided the clarity you needed to fix Windows Media Player Library. Please like the video to support the channel and subscribe for more system-level tutorials.